Hi, lovely people. How are you? So if you read from my description, we are going to be unboxing the October 2018 Bullymake box. Now, if you don't know what this is a dog subscription for power chewers. And I have a 2-year-old pit bull Nala that is right here. We already did the video, but she's just not having it. So this will be the first time that you won't see me actually giving Nala the treats. I'll see how she acts a little bit later. But let me explain a little bit what this box is. Like I said, this is for power chewers. This is a $39.99 a month subscription, but I do have a code. I will leave it down below. You can save $10 off, so you can try it out for $29.99. Now, I know a lot of people in the comments say that this is a pricey box, but let me explain. When you have a power chewer, a lot of times you have to get the brand for the toys, Kong, and they are very expensive. And if you go and buy the plush toys and the cute things, they're ripping through it and you're constantly throwing it away and purchasing more. So in the long run, these are actually better. It does save you money. So you can get all toys if you want. You can get all treats. So if you don't really have like a power chewer, you know, you don't really need them tough toys, but you want organic treats, you can get all treats, or you can get a mixture, and that's what I get. I get toys and treats, and you can also pay a little bit extra to get an additional treat. So I like that. Everything is made here in the US, in Texas, and everything is made at Bullymake. So all the toys are very unique. You can never find them at a store, which is great. And they're always themed every month, and I like that as well. So I do have September's box as well. I'm going to show you what came in September's box. And that is because if you guys are new to my channel, there was a fire at my mother's house. They were staying with me last month, and they also have a dog. So it was kind of hard to have space to do a video with Nala and then the other dog. It was just a hot mess. So I'm going to show you what came in this box. Now, I will prepare you that Nala got into it without my knowledge, so you're going to see what she did. So I'll show you what I can. All right, so the boxes always look like this. And it doesn't look pretty because you're going to see what she did. So, also, I don't know if I told you, it does go by weight class. So, Nala she's right here. She is in the 90-pound weight class. She's only really about 77, 78 pounds, but I've always said she was in the 90-pound class. All right, so let me show you the toys that come in the box. So this, I don't have the card because I don't know what she did with the card, but this is the toy that you would get in the September's box. And usually every month you get something like this, and it's hard rubber. It's really good. She has never ever went through one of these toys before. You can put a little treat in here or a little peanut butter, whatever you want, and this will really get them for an hour, 2 hours, you know, when you want them just to leave you alone and play with something. So that's good. It also comes with every month. Now, this had the cardboard still on it, so you can see where she, like, nibbled at it. So it comes with, like, this must have been fall themed. And, you know, it comes with this where she can chew it. Now, I want to show you guys something. I found this in her toy box the other day. I was going through her toys, and I didn't know this was still in here. So this is what it looks like. This is how she goes through her toys. Now, what I normally do is when I get at the next box, I just chug these and put these in the trash because you don't want them tearing it up like this where it will have plastic. Now, thank God Nala is the type of chewer. When she chews it, she just spits it out. And for the longest, I kept seeing all these pieces of plastic. I'm like, where's this coming from? And I realized it's the toys. But if your toy ever looks like this, one thing I like about Bullymake, within 14 days of getting this, you take a picture, you email them, and they will send you a different toy. So I like that as well. So you never want the toys looking like this. So like I said, she had this for a while. I will throw this in the trash. So I really do enjoy getting these every month. All right, and also let me show you real quick in the September box. So we got these pork fumbles, and right here is the ingredients right there. So you can see it is all natural. I really, really like it. So she likes them. Then this had 3 bars in here, apple chicken bars. Right here is the ingredients right there. Now there was one left, and I thought she was in my daughter's room because my daughter's away from college. She likes staying in my daughter's bed, on my daughter's bed. And for my, I go in my room and I see like these treats, these empty things on the floor, and this was all wet. Here I must not have closed them really well, and she was able to tip them over and she ate all of them. So then we got this. So there was only one left, so she just ate that one out of there. But this was like half a bag. So these were the mint leaves. Right there are the ingredients. So she really got into them, and she's looking at me right now. She knows I'm talking about it. All right, so I just wanted to show you, and then this is October. So in a way, it's good. You can see what 2 months look like to see if this is something that you want to try. So here we go, the same box. It's right here. This is what the October card looks like. It is Halloween themed this month. It gives you the prices also as well. If there is a toy that you liked and you want to purchase it, you can go on the website and purchase these toys as well. All right, so I'm going to show you the toys. The first thing we got is this spooky skull. This would be $18, and that is so cute. Again, you can put a little treat in there, like a smaller treat, and Nala really has a good time because she tries to get it out. And really about an hour, sometimes close to 2 hours, she will try to get this toy out. So that's good. The last toy is this right here. This is a Jack and Bones, and this is about $18. Usually they're about $18. So it says our unique Jack and Bones design is our newest take on Halloween in nylon form. We have integrated 4 awesome ends for your dog to gnaw on. We also designed a spot-on backside to spread your dog's favorite spread, like peanut butter, for added interest of enjoyment. Let your dog treat on our Jack and Bones toy this October, made in the USA. So that's good. So I guess on the back of here, you know, right here, you can put some peanut butter on there. So that's good. And let's see what this says. If it says anything, it says October means Halloween, and nothing says Halloween quite like a spooky skull. This durable natural rubber toy is perfect for treats of all sizes and well as a classic chewing session. This versatile rubber chew is also perfect to throw around and some fetch time, made in the USA from all natural rubber. Trick or treat, we're sure your power chewer will treat on this. So that's good. So you know, it is kind of like rubber where you can throw it kind of like a ball. So that's good. Okay, on to the good stuff. Now, like I said, I did try doing this video before, so this is open. So this month theme, you have the Ghost Bites right there, and here are the ingredients right there. And let me show you what it looks like. So it's like a little ghost. You want this? Sit. There you go. Okay, so there we go. The next thing we got, this is still open, is Tricky Treats right there. And there are the ingredients. Okay. And these look just like a little bone right there. There you go. All right, not get anything else. All right, and last but not least is these Bat Bites. Right there are the ingredients. Okay. And it looks just like a little bat right there. So she's always liked these treats, and she's a very, very picky eater. So I really like this box. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Do you have a dog? If you do, what kind of dog do you have? I love dogs. And yeah, that's all that I have. Let me know. Do you get this box? Do you want to get this box? Let me know. I always leave videos right here in case you want to watch more of me. And please like this video. Like this video if you like dogs. Like this video if you like animals. And like this video just to like this video. It really helps me out. All right, guys. I will see you in my next video. And I will also leave some videos down below if you want to watch other videos where Nala's in so you can see what she looks like. All right, guys. I love you and see you in my next video. Bye.